Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into something pretty dang exciting. This is something that was just rolled out, yesterday, Friday? I think Friday, during FHL, and that is going to be the Affiliate Center inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. We've been waiting for this for years, and finally, we don't have to rely on classic or third-party stuff to actually host our affiliate programs. So pretty exciting news. And today we're going to be walking you through how it works, how it's set up, and how to add it to your workspace, all that good stuff, just so you have a good understanding of where to go and how to use it. All right, so there is that. Now, with that said, let's dive into my screen here, and I'll show you how to do everything step by step. Starting off, the first thing you want to do is actually add the app to your workspace. To do that, go over here and click on the little plus icon under the, or right next to the apps headline here. And once you do so, it'll bring you to the App Center, just like this. All right, now on this page, you will likely see the Affiliate Center. It's actually gonna look just like that. You'll likely see it up here. I don't know if it displayed under other apps for me or the very top. Either way, look for Affiliate Center and click on it directly. Once you do, it'll show you a page just like this. Actually, let's go back and I'll show you. Let's see. It'll look like this, where you can add the app or learn more, right? Except it'll say for Affiliate Center. Click on Add App. Now, once we click on Add App, it should just add the Affiliate Center to your account. And from there, it'll show over here in the left-hand navigation. All right. At this point, just click on it directly, and then we can go to let's go to affiliates here to start things off. And now that we're inside of the Affiliate Center app here, let's go ahead and break down the correlation between everything we see over here in the left-hand navigation, just so you know how to navigate and how everything kind of connects. Okay. So inside of the Affiliate Center, you'll see affiliates, campaigns, commission plans, commissionable products, commissions, payouts, and settings. Campaigns are going to connect to affiliates. Commission plans are going to connect to campaigns. Commissionable products are going to connect directly to commission plans. All right. So the process of getting set up here, really the main things you're going to be using are commissionable products and up. Aside from these guys right here, these are just going to be like stats or who you're paying out, right? Or the settings for your actual affiliate program. But for actually setting up your campaigns and everything, you're only going to really be dealing with these four right here. Okay. The process that I prefer to go through when it comes to setting up a new affiliates campaign is starting off with a commission plan. And the reason is because if you go over here and start with campaign, you have to still go over here to commission plan, then you have to go bash campaign, and then you have to connect the commission plan right there. It saves you a little bit of an extra step there. If you just go directly to commission plans, and then from there, go in and create a new plan. If you click on a button on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that little pop-up up here, right here, where we can go in and create a brand new commission plan. All right, so for this example, we'll call this example commission, if I can spell today, plan. There we go. We'll assign it the color of red, and we're not going to set this as default, but just know you have the ability to do so. If you set things as a default, basically what that means is whenever you add a new affiliate to your campaign, they will automatically be added to this commission plan, and they will see all the products that are connected there. They'll be able to receive the specific commissionable amount for that product that you set up, all that good stuff. So just keep that in mind. If you want everyone to have this specific commission plan by default out of the gate, just make sure this is toggled on. Otherwise, have that turned off and then go ahead and create. All right. That's also always configurable after the fact. You don't have to necessarily do it right then and there. You can come back and adjust it afterwards. All right. Now, once we are on the next page here, we'll be able to actually connect a product right over here under product overrides. If you click on add, it will then show a little pop-up on the right-hand side where we can then select the product that you want to use here for the actual commissionable product. All right. So for example, if I want to go and use this right here, strategy session, I can do so. And after that, I can set the actual percentage that we want someone to receive once someone is successfully referred. So if we want someone to receive 20% of that purchase for successfully referring that person, just type in 20, hit create, and just like that, we have a product connected to a commission plan, and they will receive 20% whenever that product is referred. All right, you can always come back and add more products if you want. There we go. Click on the drop down, select wherever you want, set the percentage, and then save it, and you're good to go. All right. Now, with that done, what we want to do from here is go over here to campaigns, and we're going to create a new campaign. All right, so click on that on the right-hand side of the screen. From there, on this new page right here, we can then go in and create a new campaign. We'll call this new example campaign. Please delete, just so I don't forget. You got a description here for the actual campaign itself. You can set a campaign date range over here on the right-hand side. You can set up a specific link for where people can actually download any assets that are going to be given out. If you are using like a Google Drive, it'd be perfect for you to go over here and just link it directly on this page. Or you could technically go in and create a page within ClickFunnels with a bunch of downloadable asset URLs or buttons leading to those downloads, so people can actually go in and utilize those assets. And the last thing I didn't cover here is going to be the funnel. That's going to be super important, right? Want to make sure that we are actually selecting the right funnel that we want to connect this campaign to, right? So if you click on the drop down, you can then go and find the correct funnel that you'd like to associate this specific campaign to. Whenever a transaction for that product has been made by someone who has clicked on an affiliate link, that person who referred them will get commission, right? So make sure you have the correct funnel set up here and then click on create campaign. All right. After that, we can then connect our commission plan right here. Click on the little add button and select the one we just created, which is example commission plan in our case. But select the one that you create on your end. All right. Just like that, we have a campaign set up, ready to go. And the only thing we have to do now is actually assign it to an affiliate. To do that, go over here, click on affiliates, and then click on the actual person or the checkbox right next to that person, whoever it is. You can even check this one right above that, and that will check everyone or select everyone that you have actually added to your affiliate program here or added as an affiliate. But for now, I'm going to check the one individual person there, which is myself. From there, click on the drop down for actions and we'll see a bunch of different things, right? You have the ability to go in and activate, you can deactivate, you can prepare payouts, right? So maybe they have actually reached that threshold of whatever you have set. By default, that's $100, but whatever, you can prepare the payout from there. You can export all their commissions so they can get full reports. You can go in and ban them. So maybe they did something really bad and they are spamming the heck out of your link. Who knows? I don't know. But that is an option here. You can ban them. You can unban them. So maybe they come up to you and bang their way back in. Fantastic. Let them back in. Awesome. Let them promote the heck out of you. After that, go in and add a commission plan. That's going to be the next option. And then remove commission plan as well. Or you can export that affiliate or all the data around that into a CSV. All right, but the one we're looking for here is going to be to add a commission plan. And once we do so, we can select the actual drop down select the drop down over here on the right, select the correct commission plan that we have created. In this case, it's the example commission plan. From there, click on add. And just like that, now I'm seeing that there are two different commission plans attached to this affiliate. One is going to be the existing one that was already there, and then the other one is the new one we just added, which is the example commission plan. And to see what they can actually see on their side, what we can do is click on this little icon right here, which will open up their affiliate dashboard in a new window. This is pretty similar to what we could do inside of ClickFunnels Classic, which is pretty cool to see that they kept that going, right? It's always nice to see that everything is coming through correctly. But on this page right here, we can see all their stats. This is what they're seeing, right? They can see all stats right here. They can go in and see all the campaigns that are available to them. They can view all commissions that have been paid out, people that are trialing, conversions, campaigns, payouts, codes, whatever. It's all going to be right here, or even second tier affiliates. So essentially people that have signed up under them as affiliates that they would get commission for as well, if you are running that type of campaign there. Now, from this page, you can actually test out the campaigns, and I highly recommend this to make sure that things are actually flowing correctly and people are being brought to the correct URL and all that good stuff. For example, I don't even know what I selected here, but if I go in and open it up in a new incognito window, we'll be brought to the funnel that's associated to it. Okay, cool. Right on. Anyways, if someone were to purchase inside of that funnel after clicking this link, this person would get a commission, and that's it. Everyone's happy. Win-win. Now, let's head back to ClickFunnels here. We have three other options here, things to cover. The first one is going to be commissions. Actually, before we do that, let's go and cover these three buttons right here because we didn't talk about them. So these are going to be same thing that we kind of saw over here in the drop down. When we go over here and select actions, right there, this is allowing us to do these actions right here on a mass scale. So you don't have to do it one by one. But if you want to do it just for a specific affiliate, technically you can go over here and just click on these buttons, right? So if you want to deactivate an affiliate, if you want to prepare a payout for somebody, or if you want to ban them, you can do that all from the right-hand side of the page right here. And it'll do the exact same thing. From here in the top right side of the screen, we'll see two other buttons. One is going to be to create an affiliate, and the other is going to be different miscellaneous actions, such as viewing affiliates, viewing the commission settings within your account here, the commissions, and the payouts. Right, so these are all going to populate as you have actual affiliates promoting you and all that good stuff. But for now, there's nothing to see. It's just going to take us to a blank page because there's nothing to actually view there. All right. But for creating an affiliate, if you click on that button there, you can go in and type in the name of that affiliate here. And then in the drop down right here, you can select the correct contact based off of their email in that drop down. All right. After that, create the affiliate, and that is it. You now have someone that has been added to your program. There's other ways to actually create affiliates, and one other way, which is going to be basically in a workflow. You can go in and use the action of creating a affiliate. And that's it. When someone creates or goes through a workflow, maybe if they opt in a funnel and you have a workflow attached to that funnel that creates an affiliate, that would be the answer. I mean, that's a good way to automate it. So you don't have to go over here every single time and create an affiliate. But again, it's totally up to you based off of how you prefer to run your program. All right. But with that covered, let's go ahead and touch on the last 3 points here, which are commissions, payouts, and settings. Now for commissions, if we go over here, it's going to be blank because there's nothing there. If there were anybody referring us out or you out, you will see commissions right here that we need to pay out, right? Or that we already have paid out. What have people actually earned? Based off of sales that have happened, you'll see reports here based off of what is coming in, what needs to go out, all that fun stuff. All right. Other than that, you have payouts here, which again, no one's there because no one is referring us out yet. This is a brand new app and we haven't even rolled out our own thing yet. But anyways, when we do, we should see the ability to view all payouts on this screen and track everything in one area. All right. Aside from that, we have settings. And within the settings tab here, we have affiliate dashboard, we have the commission tab here, and we have payout. Let's go and click through each of them. Here's commission tab, right? We have the payout tab, and let's just kind of walk through each of them. The payout threshold, this is going to be the minimum amount before commissions are actually going to be paid out, right? So by default, it is set to 100. That is not something I put there. That is how it is right out of the gate. If you want to adjust it, you can go over here and just change it up, all right? Put whatever you want there, and you'll be good to go. All right, after that, let's go over here to the commission tab. You can go in and set your default referral percentage if you wanted to. You can go over here and just click on add, or click on the gear icon, adjust the commission rate, or you can go over here and set specific overrides for certain products over or across the board. There we go. All right. There's that. The last tab here is going to be the affiliate dashboard. By default, this is turned off, but if you wanted to customize, different things that show up within your affiliate center, you can go over here and type things in. You can add resources. You can add custom messages when people actually click on like these share icons, right? So that it populates automatically with a message that you prefer or want them to use, or you want them to, see on their side in case they don't want to type out something themselves. You can go in there and type something out. So it is correlated correctly with your brand, and it makes it easier for everyone. All right. You can put it there. And once you add either options or add things to either of these, click on yes. And after that, hit save, and it should appear over here on the customer center dashboard or on their actual affiliate dashboard. Now, for example, if I go over here and type in, let's see what happens. We'll go ahead and hit save. It might take a second for it to actually populate, but I'm assuming it should. There it is. All right. So it could be almost like a little bulletin board, right? You can put any news there. You can go and put links there. You can customize it to your heart's content. So anyways, there is that. That's it. That's basically the entirety of the Affiliate Center app here. Hopefully this was helpful. But before we jump out of here, let's go and walk through the process of adding affiliates inside of workflows in case you're curious of how you can automate this process. All right, so let's assume that you want to connect this to a funnel. Actually, I'll just go into funnels. Why don't we do that? Let's see, we'll use this one as an example. All right, inside of this funnel right here, let's say, for instance, we want to add people's affiliates whenever they opt in on this particular step right here. All right, to do that, click on a little email icon if you already have existing workflows attached, or click on a little lightning bolt icon. It'll look just like that, and it will show a pop-up just like this. From there, click on attach another workflow, or if you click on a lightning bolt icon, it'll show this little pop-up right from the get-go. After that, click on new workflow, and it will allow us to do exactly that. But let's pretend this is the step right here that they are opting in on. So we'll click on this icon, attach another workflow, and then click on new workflow. From here, we'll give this a name. We'll call this affiliates sign up. All right, for the event type, go and click on that drop down, and we're gonna go ahead and scroll down until we have the option for opt-in. That's what we're looking for in this particular case. For you, use the right one, whether it's a transaction, right? If someone purchases something in a funnel, whatever you're looking for. All right, from here, we're gonna go ahead and create the workflow. And on the next page, we'll go in and start adding steps. The one and only that we're really looking for in this scenario is going to be the option to add or create an affiliate. This one right here. All right, all you have to do is click on that directly. Now, keep in mind, when you use this step in a workflow, it's going to essentially use the defaults that you have set up there. So whatever you have marked as default, that's what this person is going to be added as. Keep that in mind when you set this up, so that way everyone's being added to the right one. But there's that. That's all you need to know. All right. I guess the last thing we can cover here is when you're good to go here with the actual workflow, just make sure it is turned on over here on the right-hand side of the screen. And after that, whenever someone opts in on this funnel or purchases their product, it really depends on what you're trying to set up here. But in our scenario, if someone is opting in, whenever someone opts in on this funnel, it will trigger the workflow, add them as an affiliate, and that is it. All right, makes your life a lot easier, and it's just a nice, easy way to automate the process. Okay, that is it, guys. If you have any questions around any of the stuff, feel free to let me know down below, and I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. All right, otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.